that money for you, honey? It's $1 for it.
Well, I think I'm okay. I see it. I don't really want it. It's not worth anybody's life.
A little bit of water going over the bridle veil falls.
Yeah, so this is the bridal veil, which is what got us the most wet down there.